Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure you're allowed to own or operate this device. It matters legally and ethically. Next, enroll in formal instruction and schedule supervised practice with inert training darts so you learn principles safely. Read the manufacturer manual thoroughly and register the product if required. Prepare a controlled space free of bystanders and flammable materials, and don appropriate protective gear. These first steps prevent accidents and build a foundation of safe, responsible handling without jumping straight to operation. Once done with basic preparation, focus on inspection and safe handling routines that reduce risk. Visually check the device for damage, ensure fasteners and housings are secure, and follow the maker's checklist for seals and pressure-rated components. Use only manufacturer-approved consumables and separate live darts from training rounds. Practice dry drills with inert projectiles under a qualified trainer to learn ergonomics and control. These steps teach you how the system behaves and why each check matters for continued safety. To conclude any session, always render the device safe and depressurize according to the manual, then store it locked and separated from projectiles. Log maintenance, serial numbers, and any anomalies so you track performance over time, and book periodic professional inspections. If something doesn't function as expected, stop immediately. Do not attempt improvised repairs. One key troubleshooting tip: if an unexpected leak, noise, or change in performance appears, isolate the system and consult a certified technician. This avoids creating a hazardous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.